Yeah, hello friends. Today I would like to share one of my strategies which I am using for the past 2 years. As you know, there are various kind of keyword match types in Google Ads. One is exact, one is phrase, one is modifier, and we have a broad match. So they are various types of keyword match types which we use when we work with Google Ads. So what I do is that I work with broad match types, right? So broad match, why I use broad matches is that they are cheaper than other matches. For example, if exact matches cost $1, then broad matches are nearly approx $0.25, which is nearly 1/4 of $1, right? So it's an approx calculation. It depends on the bidding system, what Google is giving, what Google is bidding for it, right? So one more important thing is that when you use broad matches, more keywords are not required. I don't have to use a huge number of keywords, large number of keywords. For example, if you are using sofa as a keyword in your account, it will automatically show for sofa for sale, buy sofa, etc. Right? So you just need to write sofa in the account, and it will rank for sofa for sale, buy sofa. One more thing is that when you use broad matches, you can avoid your competitors, because nowadays what is happening, more and more competitors are clicking on your ads. They are even hiring agencies and freelancers to click on your ads, so that your budget gets exhausted very quickly. No matter what software you use, what kind of tool you use, it's difficult to avoid your competitors nowadays. One more thing is, it's very easy to reach customers when you use broad match types, because we never come to know what they are searching. So the chances that you can get a large number of clicks when you use broad matches. It's easy to reach customers when they are in the discovery phase. So yes, that's why I use broad matches. What my strategy is, I use broad match and I bid very low, even below page 1. When I use this strategy, I initially ask my clients to lower the budget per day. So for example, if their budget is $100 per day, I ask them to put $50 as a per day budget in their account. Also, one more thing, I always use manual CPC. This broad match strategy won't work out with automated strategies of Google. It will be difficult. So try to use manual CPC. I always use manual CPC. Manual CPC is my preferred bidding strategy when I use Google Ads. What I do is I monitor it for 7 days or on a daily basis, depending on the requirements of the account. What I do is that I put negatives. I put lots and lots of negatives and check the search terms on a daily basis until and unless the search terms are becoming relevant. So after 30 days, the most important thing is that it will take nearly 30 days to show some results with this strategy. Immediate results are not possible with the broad match strategy which I use, right? So I would also like to share one of my live project which I am working for. Recently, I am working for this client. You can see over here. Furniture Mart. This is the client. He's selling furnitures in Singapore. So when he came to me on August 1st. You can check the date over here. So the cost per conversion which he was getting was very large. It's nearly $151, right? And the cost was also on a higher side. The clicks were there, but the conversions were not there, right? So when I started working on the account, you can see it's nearly $64, and the conversions have also increased. It has nearly cut down to nearly more than 50%, $64 now, and the cost has also gone down. You can see the date. Now, as I told you that, look how I am using the keywords, and check over here how I am using the keywords. yeah, you can see I'm using, as I told you, sofa in the earlier example. You can see the example that all the even if they are below first page, they are getting clicks. The interactions are there. You can check this keyword is below first page, but even the clicks are there. Average cost has also gone down, and you can see the conversions are also there. Okay. So one more thing I would like to share, that this strategy won't work for every account. You need to just carefully understand what is the requirement of the client, and what does the client or the company requires, and then you have to set up the strategy accordingly. So preferably I suggest people to just consult an expert to just before opting a strategy. That is the best solution. Okay. So thank you for watching my video. Thank you.